Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna carry you along with me while I'm for carpet for a early Ford Bronco. A lot of folks don't put carpet in. This is actually gonna have a rubber mat on top of the carpet, but I believe the carpet is just gonna give it that much more detail and the warm feeling that this truck will probably get used mostly on the street anyway. You'll see what I'm talking about as I get finished with it. So let me spin this camera around and show you what I've got to work with at first. Thank you. The tenable spray-in bed liner that I used on the floor. And you could stop here if you wanted to. You could just throw the rubber mat on top of this, or you could take it to the next level and do like I'm gonna do and put the carpet in. First, what I'm doing is I've laid out some paper. It comes in a big roll. I use it for making patterns on a lot of stuff. You know, get it tucked in, the straight edge, and then mark your outline of where this piece needs to be cut. And then we'll go on to the next piece. Let me make some patterns, and I'll try to carry you guys along the way as I do so. And you'll see what I'm doing today. Okay, so now you can see the direction that I'm going with the patterns. And then when I put the carpet in, it should lay just like it's laying right now. But this isn't a how-to video, guys. This is just what I'm doing in the shop today. I've got the other pattern made in the footwell on that side. Now all I've got to do is the top piece. And of course, this top piece right here will get sewed on these lines just like this. And that's just a flat piece. There's nothing special to that. You'll just match it up to these lines, cut it, and then the top piece will get sewed to each footwell and along these lines. And all right, here it is. I got the patterns all made. So what I've done here, I've made me some witness marks to where this panel will line up with this panel, part of the pattern, when I get ready to sew it. So I'll transfer these marks over to the carpet once I get the carpet cut off. Each panel's got a name, matches up with the panel next to it. So that's how I keep up with everything. Let me know how you guys do it if you're running a sewing machine. But anyway, I'm fixing to cut this thing apart and go upstairs and start cutting and sewing some carpet. All right, what I've done is I laid out the pattern that I made flat onto the carpet, and then I went around the area that's going to be sewed that I'm going to cut out. I straightened up all my cut lines, and I gave myself a 1/2 inch sew allowance to sew in the pattern, or to sew in the transmission tunnel. So with a lot of luck on my side, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this out and double check everything, then cut it out. And then I've got to cut out the transmission tunnel sides. This side's looking pretty good. Maybe a little long right there. It's looking good up in there. All right, the last adjustments. And then it's time to turn it inside out, take it upstairs and sew it. Get one shot at this. I make a nice set of aluminum floor mats covered in the carpet. Make a non-skid on the bottom side of it. They'll be conformed with the body. All right, here's a sneak peek at the carpet. I'm going ahead and showing it to you like this now because I'm going to put the backing on it, and then I'll take it back out until the truck's Bronco's finished. Where it's at right now, I really can't install it all the way because the body's not bolted down yet all the way and not adjusted, so I'm going to leave it right here. I'm going to go ahead and end the video. I will post videos and pictures of this Bronco after it's finished, and you'll get a better idea. You'll see it's smooth and fitting properly and, you know, pulled tight and stuff. So all the wrinkles will come out of it. But anyway, just wanted to make a short video of what I was doing in this shop today. So get off the couch and go make something. Thanks for watching.